If you're over 60 and you've been feeling more tired than usual, if your memory feels a little foggy, if your bones ache more than they used to, or you catch every cold that walks into the room, there's a reason. And it's not just aging. In most cases, it's a vitamin deficiency that almost nobody talks about. Doctors see it every single day, but patients rarely get told the full picture. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 vitamins your body desperately needs after 60, what they do, how to know if you're low, and exactly how to fix it. Stay with me until the end, because vitamin number 4 is the one most seniors get completely wrong. Before we start, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video in this series. Vitamin 1, Vitamin D. Let's start with the one most seniors are missing without even knowing it, vitamin D. After 60, your skin becomes far less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight, sometimes up to 75% less efficient than when you were younger. And vitamin D isn't just about bone health, although that matters enormously. It also plays a major role in immune function, muscle strength, and even mood regulation. Low vitamin D has been linked to a higher risk of falls, fractures, and even depression in older adults. The signs of deficiency are sneaky: fatigue, bone pain, muscle weakness, and getting sick more often. The fix is simple: moderate sun exposure, vitamin D3 supplements, and foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy. Many doctors recommend seniors get their vitamin D levels checked at least once a year, because supplementing without knowing your baseline can sometimes do more harm than good. 2. Vitamin B12. Next is vitamin B12, and this one is critical. As we age, our stomachs produce less of a substance called intrinsic factor, which is required to absorb B12 from food. This means even if you're eating B12-rich foods, your body may not actually be absorbing it. B12 deficiency can cause symptoms that are often mistaken for normal aging: numbness in the hands and feet, memory problems, balance issues, and persistent fatigue. In more serious cases, it can contribute to nerve damage that's difficult to reverse. The good news is that B12 deficiency is one of the easiest things to test for and correct. Many physicians recommend a B12 supplement or even B12 injections for seniors, especially those on medications like metformin, which is known to interfere with absorption. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C does more than just support your immune system, though that alone is reason enough to prioritize it. It's also essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin, blood vessels, and joints strong. As we age, wound healing slows down significantly, and vitamin C plays a direct role in how quickly your body repairs itself. It's also a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from the kind of oxidative stress that accelerates aging. Seniors who are low in vitamin C often notice slower healing from cuts and bruises, bleeding gums, and more frequent infections. The fix here is one of the easiest on this list. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and leafy greens are all excellent sources, and a daily supplement can fill in any gaps. If this is useful so far, drop a comment letting me know which vitamin surprised you the most. It helps me know what to cover next. 4. Vitamin K2, the one most seniors get wrong. This is the one I promised you. Most people know about vitamin K for blood clotting, but very few know about K2 specifically, and the difference matters enormously for seniors. Vitamin K2 directs calcium to where it actually belongs: your bones and teeth. Without enough K2, calcium can end up in the wrong places, like your arteries, contributing to arterial stiffening and increased cardiovascular risk. This is especially important for seniors who are already taking calcium supplements for bone health, because calcium without K2 can actually work against you. K2 is found in fermented foods like natto, as well as in egg yolks and certain cheeses, but because most Western diets are low in these foods, a K2 supplement, often combined with vitamin D3, is something many doctors now recommend for anyone over 60. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant powerhouse, and its biggest benefit for seniors lies in protecting cells from oxidative damage, the kind of damage linked to cognitive decline and age-related vision problems like macular degeneration. Vitamin E also supports skin health and immune function. Deficiency is less common than some of the others on this list, but it can show up as muscle weakness, vision changes, and a weakened immune response. Good sources include nuts, seeds, spinach, and sunflower oil. As with most fat-soluble vitamins, it's best absorbed alongside a meal that contains some healthy fat. 6. Folate, vitamin B9. Folate works closely with B12, and together they play a major role in red blood cell production and cognitive function. Low folate levels have been associated with increased confusion, irritability, and even an elevated risk of certain types of anemia in older adults. Seniors taking certain medications, including some prescribed for seizures or rheumatoid arthritis, may be at higher risk of folate deficiency. Leafy greens, beans, and fortified grains are excellent natural sources, and your doctor may also recommend a B-complex supplement that includes folate alongside B12 for added protection. 7. Vitamin A. Last but certainly not least is vitamin A, which plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision, particularly night vision, which often declines with age. It also supports immune function and skin health. However, this is one vitamin where more caution is needed. Unlike water-soluble vitamins, excess vitamin A can build up in the body and become harmful, especially for seniors who may already be taking multiple supplements. The safest approach is to get vitamin A primarily through food sources like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, and to speak with your doctor before adding a high-dose supplement. So to recap, vitamin D for bones and immunity, B12 for nerve and brain health, vitamin C for healing and immune defense, K2 to keep calcium where it belongs, vitamin E to protect your cells, folate for cognitive and blood health, and vitamin A for your vision. None of these need to be complicated. Small, consistent changes, through food first and supplements where needed under your doctor's guidance, can make a measurable difference in how you feel day to day. If you found this helpful, the most useful thing you can do right now is subscribe, because next week I'm covering the 5 warning signs of nutrient deficiency that most doctors miss during a routine checkup, and it could explain symptoms you've been dealing with for years. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. That's the full 12-minute script at your target pacing. Want me to also write a YouTube description, tags, and thumbnail text options for this video?